Function. Right now we check with the 18-point checkup with vehicle. So let's we go to see with what are the tools will be required. In this Yamaha FZ, we are required for this cutting blade, 12 ring spanner, 18, 19, 20, 22, and tubular and flux cage. This all required. First thing. Second thing for this screwdrivers one bit. Second one is for tire depth gauge, tire pressures, tachometer for idling purpose, torque wrench for this specific bolt type. Next, charging performance base, we can use multimeter. Okay, now let's we start some. Initially, vehicle will become. First, we go with the oil checkup, oil level checkup. First, we can open. Oil level is okay. Suppose oil level is below low, we with top up with using measuring jar to 100 to 150 ml only. Battery voltage. Set with multimeter, 20 volt. Full charge battery voltage is 12.6 to 13.2. The battery is fully charged. 12.7 is there. This tire depth gauge. Suppose we can open it. This is value, inch value, different level is there. So we can go with tire front and back. How much is there? We can to check. This is for 2 Let's go with back. This is the level. Level is okay, almost 50% over. Will be will be 10 to 20 We can displace 2 plus with mark. This is 10 to 20 The brake play is correct. Next we go with the check cam brake. Go with the 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever the chain will be adjust, we will go with the 4 checkpoint is the chain play. First point. Second point. Third point. Next. Fourth point. You can mouse 4 point is chain play will be 25 to 30 for this FZ. Once you can lose the net chain will be adjust. We will check the final inspection. This nuts bolt will be tight or not. Properly play. We can lose the chain, so we can adjust the chain. Once you check with first bolt, second this one all chain bolt will be merged. Third thing for the drum bolt with the cotter pin. This is important too. We can fix it. Spark plug using the 17 size rings. In flux panel ring. The 16-17 rings. We can work on the plug. Once we can open to check which condition is spark plug is there, that is okay, and plug gap is okay. We check it after only we can fix it. Okay. Check will be connection. Put enter.